show you how you can make a dashboard with the copilot. So I have my data here, and I'm interested in creating a chart showing how much sales per each salesperson. I'm interested in creating a chart saying what type of rental did we make the most money of. And I'm interested in that chart that finally I'd like to have a chart that shows the top 10 customers that we have in this data. And so gone back to my home tab now, and I have created, I'm clicking on Copilot. And now I'm going to ask it to do my first chart, which is create a graph of sales or amount by salesperson. Amount by salesperson. From table 1. This is table 1 is the data that I have here. And so then I press the arrow, and it's thinking. It's still thinking. And so then what we have, and so now we got our graph made. And so now when you go down on the options here, you have this handy little thing which just says copy response. And so I'm going to copy that. And now I have named my next sheet dashboard, and it's basically a dashboard with, it's got nothing on it. So I'm going to go down a little bit here, and I'm going to paste. Now, this has made it extremely large. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to resize. And so I would like it to be 10 centimeters. And I would like it also to be a width of 12 centimeters. So there's my first chart. Okay, so now I'm going to go and I'm going to say I would like a pie chart of the type of equipment that we have made. So, or we have sold. So I'm going to go type of equipment. So create a pie chart. Create a pie chart of type. That's what the equipment is under. By amount. From table 1. And then I'm going to press my arrow key again. Once more, it's thinking. So now I've pasted this on my dashboard. Once again, I'm going to resize it. And so I'm going to select size and properties, and I'm going to make it 10 centimeter, or I'm going to make it 15 centimeters long to match the other one. And I'm going to make it 10. Now let's drag it out here. Let's see if we can get it to be closer to there. And there we go. Then we've got the two of them there. Okay, and so the last chart I would like it to do is I would like it to do a chart of the top 10 say companies or accounts that have sales. So I'm going back to my original sheet here, and I'm going back to my home tab, and I'm going to go say I would like create a recommended, I don't know what type of chart it's going to give me, but let's say create a recommended type of chart. Create a recommended chart type of the top 10 accounts by amount from table 1. Then I'm going to press my go key again. And one more time, it's thinking. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at what it gave me. Perfect. It's given me this chart, and so now I'm going to go down again and copy the type, what it's produced. So I'm going to copy response, and now I'm going to my dashboard, and I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to paste it. Alrighty, so now let's change this, the size of this, size and properties. Let's make it, instead of 35, let's make it 25. Change my mind, let's make it 10. And there we have the 3 charts that you've made to create your dashboard. Now, it would be just a matter of putting in titles and colors for background. You have all your data made without having to make any pivot tables or anything else. So that's how you make a dashboard with Copilot. Please subscribe.